Beauty Without Cruelty, Hydrating Aloe Mask, 2 ounces, 56 grams. Product Overview. Description: Cruelty-free since 1963. Premium aromatherapy. Intensely moisturizes. Vegan. Leaping Bunny certified. Paraben free. pH balanced. Never tested on animals. No animal ingredients. BWC Hydrating Aloe Mask deeply moisturizes and replenishes your skin. Nature's own aloe vera and plant restore, balance, and hydrate. Pure premium, Oshadhi aromatherapeutic essential oils tone, soothe and revitalize. Used generally to reduce skin dehydration and promote a smoother, softer complexion. Benefits all skin types, especially mature and sun-damaged. Suggested use: apply moderate amount to freshly cleansed skin. Avoid eye area. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with warm water and follow with a cool water splash. Gently pat dry. Other ingredients: aqua, purified water, aloe barbadensis, aloe vera, leaf juice, decolorized, caprylic/capric triglyceride, glycerin, vegetable, glycerol stearate, sorbitol stearate, cetyl alcohol, helianthus annuus, sunflower, oil, Simonsia chinensis, jojoba, seed oil, rosa canina, rose, fruit oil, Levangula angustifolia, lavender, oil, Chamomilla recitata, matricaria, oil, Boswellia carterii, frankincense, oil, Levangula hybrida, lavandin, oil, Cucumis sativus, cucumber, fruit extract, Calendula officinalis extract, Anthimus nobilis, chamomile, flower extract, Levangula angustifolia, lavender, extract, sodium PCA, allantoin, panthenol, tocopherol acetate, magnesium ascorbyl phosphate, hyaluronic acid, avena sativa, oat, kernel protein, xanthan gum, phenoxyethanol, ethylhexylglycerin. Organic 22% organic content. Warnings: for external use only. Keep out of reach of children.